Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing attention in the first second. That 1-3's hook decides whether they stay. Once done, show the payoff visually and state the benefit, so curiosity locks in. Make sure to optimize the first frame, caption, and thumbnail to promise value. Then structure a 15-30's core with 3 clear beats, set expectation, deliver value, and tease continuation. This keeps watch time rising and primes the algorithm for more distribution. Now you build the middle so viewers don't drop off. Arrange content into 3 tight beats: problem, action, result, each under about 10s to maintain momentum. Use microcuts, sound cues, and captions to refresh attention and support viewers watching without sound. Once those elements are in, add a loop or visual callback that makes replays satisfying, and reference a prior or upcoming hook to increase session time and sequential watch. Finish by delivering a concise payoff and a loopable visual or phrase that encourages a second watch. This immediately boosts replay rate. Then a /B test thumbnail, caption, and length variations while monitoring watch time percentage and replays to learn what works. If retention falls, trim or re-edit any slow sections, tighten pacing, and swap the first frame. These targeted changes usually fix most drop-off issues quickly and restore upward momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.